So hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today in this video we will be going to create this design, and inside this we can see a box. Inside the box there is top box and middle box, middle one, so which will contain the message, and top box which will contain the information of whom we are chatting, and inside the bottom one there is a message to be sent. You can see here we can send the message, and this is the thing that we will be going to create today. So let's go. So first of all, we will be going to create a folder. This folder name will be chat, and we will be going to open this one. So we will be opening this folder with VS Code, and we'll be close this. So here you can see we have started our VS Code with this folder chat, and I will be going to close this one, and I am adding file that is called index.html. So next file will be style.css, and we will be also going to create a main.js where we will write logic. So this is our three files. So I have opened this all one, and we don't need this, so I'm closing this side. So let's go to the index.html. So the title will be chat by CMON YouTuber. You can write your name or anything. Before we move into the code, I will be showing you a wireframe of the chat. So for that, first of all, we'll be going to open a Chrome browser, or any browser that you have, you can open that one. Now here we will search wireframe.cc, wireframe.cc. So hit enter button. So I'm going to close this one, and inside this I will be going to create our chat wireframe. So what is wireframe? Wireframe is nothing, just a layout of our design. So I am going to create the layout of our design. For that I'm adding, okay, now I'm adding here, this will be our box. So inside this chat box, we will at the top there will be a top box which will consist of, this will be top, and this will be middle one, and here will be the bottom one. Oh sorry, so this one will be bottom one, and inside the top, middle and bottom we will write here content. So we will keep here a profile which will be in round shape, and we will also keep here a name, so just a text where we will write user, and we will be also going to add here a arrow button, so that will be down, and I am keeping here this side. So this will be our wireframe for the top side, and in the middle we will going to add chatting. So for that I am adding here this one, rectangle box, and we will be again going to add here hi, hello, how, and I will write here hello YouTuber, and we will also going to add here a input type. So input type, here it will be a text that will be going to send. So here will be our button. So this button will contain send, and this is our layout how we will be going to create our chat design. Okay, so this will be our this is our wireframe, simple wireframe that will be going to implement on the code. So let's move into the code. So I'm opening with live server so that we can see properly what's going on. Our live server has been started with the title name chat by Simon YouTuber, and here I have already said I will just write here dot chatbox dot chat and box chatbox. So this will be our chat box. Inside the I will show you here. So this whole box will be our chat. Okay, what we'll be going to do is we have to make a top one, this top one, and this middle and the bottom. So for that I am writing here dot top and dot middle and the bottom one. So dot bottom. This is our box, three box inside the chat box. First box is top, middle and bottom. So here is nothing. I'm just going to design it. So for that, first of all I will link here. So link real style sheet and dot slash what we have style.css. So style.css, I'm just going to connect this one, and I think this is connected. And so let's move to here. What we will be going to do is, first of all, we are using universal selector, and inside this we will be removing all the initial margin, and padding will be 0. So margin will be 0, and the box sizing will be border box. We will select all the elements that we have created. The first one is chat box, and the second one is dot top, and third one is dot middle, and fourth one is just we need a bottom, bottom, right? So this that we have selected all the things. So what will be the width or height of the box? So I'm going to write here WTH width will be so 500 pixel, and HEIGST height will be 400 pixel, and we will keep here a box shadow, not a background but a box shadow, which will be 1 pixel, 1 pixel from the x-axis, y-axis, and 1 pixel, 1 pixel, and we will write here 3 pixel and 4 pixel, and the RGBA with the color of 0 comma 0 sorry 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.1. So now it's looking more good. Okay, but it is, if you can see this one, it will be middle of the body. Okay, so for that this box is inside the body tag. You can see here inside the body tag there is the chat box. Okay, so we will select here also a body tag. So directly selecting a body tag, body, and here we will write here display flex direction will be column, and we will write here align item will make the horizontally center. You can see it's horizontally centered. and justify content will be vertically centered. So here you can see it is not vertically centered because the height of the body is just this according to its element. The height of the body is this. If I have to show you inspect, the height of the body is 400 pixel. We will make this minimum height will be 100 bh, so 100 vertical height. So now it is vertically centered because the height of the body is from here to here, vertical height 100 bh. Now what we will do is, and this is not looking good, so I will write here 400 pixel and this is 500 pixel. Now it's looking good. Okay, we will be also going to make a border radius, so its corner will be not sharp. Border radius will be let's make it 10 pixel. It's looking more good. And we will also going to create a top design. So for that we have background colors will be, let's make it red for now, and height will be 10%, and here background will be black, so let's make it black for now, and height will be 80%, 80%, 80%. And bottom, so for bottom the background will be bg will be pink, so let's make it pink, and height will be not a inherit but it will be 10%. Now you will be confused, I have why I have written here 10%, 10% and 80%. Now let's consider this this chat box have the height of 100%, and inside this 100% 10% is taken by top, 80% is taken by middle. You can see here 80% is taken by middle, and the bottom 10% is taken by bottom. Okay, so this is our layout what we need to create. I'm going to also add a font. Okay, so we will be adding here a good font that is called Poppin. So I'm opening the Google font, GOOGLEFONT, Google font, and inside this Google font we'll be opening the first URL, font.google.com, and I have already selected a Poppin, but I will teach you here. Okay, so I will teach you how to select. So let's search for a Poppin, Poppin. It's Poppins. Here you get the Poppin style, font style, and we will be going to select 400. 400 is 400, normal and 400. So normal and 400. We will be going to select this one, regular 400 with Poppin font style. Now I have selected. Now click here, and here you can see we have added a Poppin font. So how we import in CSS? So here is the code. Copy this and paste it at the top of the style file, CSS file. So here is the font. I am copying this and I am adding this one to all, because we will be adding this font to whole website. And now what we can do is let's see the wireframe. So we have at the top we have a profile. You can see here we have a profile, so I will be going to add here a profile. For that I am going to inside a top box. So inside the top we are going to add here dot profile. So the profile is round, the profile is round. So for that, in CSS, at the bottom of top, just I am writing here profile profile. I have selected the profile, and inside this profile we will be going to give a background of let's keep it white, and height will be GST height will be, so we will keep here 40 pixel, and width will be 40 pixel. Now you can see a box which is at the corner. So we will make this round in shape. For that we have a border radius will be 50%. So now it is round, and it is not in center, this is not in center. So for that I'm going to the parent element. So inside the parent element we have display flex, and for making it a vertically center we have align item center. Align items should be center, CENTER center. Now it's center. So we can also give the margin, GIN margin should be 5 pixel. Now it's looking good. I will also add a online. So here should be a online navigator, or what we said, or symbol, so online symbol. So for that I am using a pseudocode after dot profile profile and after after. We will add here content will be empty, height will be 8 pixel, width will be 8 pixel, background will be green, so I am selecting the green one. Background will be green. It's not showing because we have to make this position absolute, and the parent element positions will be relative. So parent elements will be I will show you here POSITI1 position, ABSOLUT absolute. If we make this absolute, the parent elements will be relative. So position should be relative. Now we will add here it's from top and left it's 0, from top it's 0, from left it's 0. Now we have to make this here bottom. For that we have bottom, let's try it, bottom 0, BOTTOM should be 0 pixel. You can see here it will go down. We don't need this from left side, we need from right side. So I am writing here RIGST right, so it will be 0 pixel. Now you can see it's from right, it is 0, so we have to also make this round. For that we have border radius will be 50%. For making round, the height and width should always be equal. Height and width should be always equal, and we don't need this too much down, we need this little bit up. So for that I'm adding here from bottom, it will be 5 pixels. So now we have completed the online part, this one. Now we have to write here a name user with the paragraph tag. So I'm writing here, I'm adding here paragraph tag just side of the profile. So after profile we will write here paragraph tag user. Now you can see user. Now it's looking good. So we need also arrow. You can see here at the right side there is arrow. So for that, I'm for that symbol, I'm going to cdn free font awesome. So here is the library. You can open it and you can copy this link. Just go to inside of head and type here link. Why it's not coming? Link, and inside the sref just paste it. Now it's done. We have imported the library for font awesome. Now let's go to the font awesome website. font awesome, click here font awesome and go inside the font awesome website. So inside the font awesome website, we will write we will just go here and icons, and we will search here down. Now we will use this one. We will use maybe this one or this one. Let's use this. So click this and you will get here a code. So copy this one by just clicking, and we will add here just we will add here. So after the paragraph tag we will add icon, but that will be inside a div. Go up down, UW and down. So here I will paste the icon. You can see an icon, but we need this at the right side, so for that, let's go to the style and we have to select this one. After that profile we will be going to select dot what we have written there. Just forget. So here is up, go up down. So control C, and we will be adding control V, go up down, and I'm adding here. Before adding here something, I just need to make the top should be display. It's already flex, it's already flex, so we can use margin left auto. So we will be using here margin should be left, should be auto. Now you can see the magic. Now it's in right side. So from margin left, from left side, from its left side it's auto. It means it will push to the right side how much it can. So from I will also add here some margin because it's too much attached with the right side. So margin will be 5 pixel. I think it will be enough. Now it's looking good. We have completed the top part, and now it's time for middle one. Okay, so let's go to the middle one. At the middle you can see here, this is the message of other and this is the message of your. Okay, so this is your and this is other. So we will use the class name other for what? We will use the class name other for with chatting, and we will use here me for me class for our chatting. Okay, so inside the middle, just let go to the middle, and inside the middle we have first class is other, and second one will be dot me. So here I will add a paragraph tag, or just hi how are you? I think you are fine. And we'll copy this one and copy this here inside the me. Now we can't see anything because the background is black, so I'm just removing the middle. This is middle, background will be none, and any none, so non background. Now you can see here we have two div. So I will also change here some chatting. Hello user, I am fine. Now you can see the changes in chatting. So first of all, what we will do is we will style this other. So for that, after the middle, I'm adding here dot oth here other, and second one is dot me. For other, we will just reduce the max width. So max width will be 60%. Okay, it will be just 60%. So it's 60%. We will also give the busy background. Background will be wait a minute, we will use this one. Now it's looking good. We will also use the border radius. Border radius will be 5 pixel. It's looking good. Now what we can do is we can give the margin marg, and margins will be 5 pixel. Okay, now it's looking good. And we will also give padding, padding will be 5 pixel. Now it's perfect, it's looking good. Now we will do same style to what, we will copy this one and we will give same style to this me. Now you can see we have same style, but we will make this blue. Okay, so for me we will make this blue. We will make it light. Okay, I'm not focusing in design, so you will I'm giving that part to you. And you can see we have at the right side, sorry, it's on left side. We have to make this on right side. For that we have a technique. That technique is we will just go to the middle and we'll make this display will be flex, and flex direction will be column. Now it will be normal, and with this flex property we have the power of margin left auto. We have done here same like this. So margin left should be auto. Now it's perfect, we have got the result. But I want to show you something that if I have to copy this, if I will make this more, and chatting for me, sorry, it's wrong, and I will make this me more, and you can see this is going out of the middle box. So for that what we can do is we will go to middle and overflow it from y direction. Y direction is vertical, y direction it will be scroll, so we'll just make it scroll. Now you can see if the message is more, it will be going to scroll down. Okay, perfect. So now what we will be going to do is we have created this one. Now we have to move on this bottom part. So in bottom part we have an input text. If you can see here, we have an input and a button called send. So let's make it. Inside the bottom we have bu sorry input should be type should be txt text. Now the text is there, and I'm giving just a class name. CLS class name should be messag message input input. So I have given here class name message input, and we have also a button. So button button. This button will be send. Now perfect. We have input and we have this button. What we will do is we will just align it center. So I'm selecting here dot input message message input message input, and we have another. I haven't given class to button. Okay, so I have to give class 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 is equals to send button send button, and I'm copying this one. Let's copy this and move on to css and dot what we have copied send button. So message input and send button, for making it align center, we have a powerful property called display flex. And align items will be center for making it vertically centered. Now it's vertically centered. We can give the height and width. So HEIGST height will be, I can write here 50 pixel, and width will be let's make it 60%. Let's make it 80%. Now it's good. And let's make the send button, so will be before this 50 pixel is not good. I'm just reducing this one to 40. Now it's good. And I'm also adding this same height to button height 40 pixel. Now perfect. And width should be it's 20%, because remaining percent is 20%, 80% here and 20% here. Now they are perfect. I think we have completed the layout. Yes, we have completed the layout. Let's give the margin. Okay, so margin should be 5 pixel from everywhere. Now it's looking good. Now what we can do is so let's make it workable. Okay, so how it will be going to work? Let's read this one. We don't need this too much. So for make it working, I'm just adding here a JavaScript. So script script, src is equals to /main.js. Now let's check it's working or not. alert alert 1. It's working, alert 1. Now let's remove this, and we have to select this class. So input field. So I'm selecting this one. Where is this? Message input, class message input. So I will write here const or I can simply just add here on click function. I will write here on click function. Okay, so on click, what we will do is on click we will run a send message function. message send message function. Okay, on click we will send here. So we will make this function. We haven't make this. So functon function, control V, send message, and when we will click this one, alert should be 1. Let me see, will it work or not? On click it's showing in alert 1. It means it's working. You know what we have added here, on click send message function will be run. On click, when it's on click it will run the send message function, where the send message function is working, sending alert 1. So right here alert 1. Now we don't need this alert 1. What we can do is just we can select const message message is equals to document dot get elements by class name. Class name, what we have right here, class name. What's the class name of input? This message input. So I will paste here message input, but the class is in array form, so we will select the first one. We have just one class, and dot value. Let me check this, is it working or not? value value. Why is dot value, and console dot log me, not console log, we will just see in the alert box alert message right. So we will just alert the message right here. Now you can see we are getting the message, right? So hello, now we are getting the message hello, because we have selected this value. But what's the value? The value is hello. Now remove this one. Now we have got the text, just we need to show here. So I will also select the class middle. So here's the class middle. Doc const middle is equals to document document dot get elements by class name middle, which will be first one. There is only one, so that's why I'm selecting the first one. So we have a middle. We can't write here const because we are changing this middle. So I will write here let. So middle dot inner HTML plus plus is equals to, what we will do is we will just paste the we are using what we will do is we will just paste this one where this me. Okay, so for now, if we send the message, it will show here me. So I'm cutting this one me. Now it should remove from here. Yes, it's removed. Now I will paste this here. Okay, but let's use single. We can use here template literal, but I am making it simple. Okay, because because I just want to make it simple. Now it's perfect. Now to make it simple, I will just, after the paragraph tag, I will end the first quotation, and after that I will again start the double quote, a single quotation. And here what we'll do is just using the concatenation sign, and inside this we will add a message. Okay, this is simple. We will add the message. Now you will see the magic. You'll see the magic, you'll see the magic. Just you need to write here hello, and after clicking send, hello, how are you, I think you are fine, send. Oh wow, perfect. Now we will use the template literal. It's good but not a perfect way to do. So we have a template literal. We will using this backtick, and we will add here code, all code, and inside this one we will use dollar sign for using the variable called message. That one and this one are same. Okay, so there is no difference. You will just see the same result. Hello. Now it's working. Hello. But it's not being empty. To make this empty, what we can do is, so middle, it's not middle, so we will not select this one. We'll dot here message dot value dot value, because we need value here. And we can also do middle dot value is equals to nothing. Now you can see no empty. It means there is something wrong. Just I need to enter this one, enter value. So let's add this. Why it's not removing? Because why I had did here, I have to write here message dot value should be empty. Okay, but I have written here const, so I can't change. Look to, okay, it's working. Nice. But let's make it let, because we know let can be changed. Now perfect, everything going fine. So we can also add here placeholder, and you can see there is no padding from left, so I will also add the padding from everywhere. Padding on input message, so padding will be 5 pixel. Now you will see some padding from left side and right side and top side and bottom side. So this is our tutorial for today, and I will work how they actually we will be going to implement actually a chatting by using Node.js backend with the help of WebSocket. Okay, so in next video we will be working on this in the production level. It means you can chat, you can actually chat with your friends, and after that we will launch this in Heroku so that everyone can chat with each other. Mm, so Mm, okay, for this, for now, I'm just keeping this simple, nothing more complex. So thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you like it, and please hit the like button and comment down and share with your friends.